Well, we're fishing this morning out here on Carter Lake, Madill, Oklahoma. Seth, he's already trying to get ahead of me, as you can see. Got the little two-man boat, real peaceful and calm. And we're gonna try to catch us a few bass, maybe some crappie. And it's his first time over here at Carter Lake, and I hadn't been over here in about 35 years. Anyway, guys, we're gonna take you along with us, see if we can't catch something. You gotta see. Show us your reel, Seth.
Done for.
His reel is done for. Look at his lure on the back of his shirt and on the other fishing pole. When you don't move your fishing poles out from behind you, this is what can happen, guys. Oh wait, this is just one of those days for Seth. He's struggling today, and I still haven't. Neither one of us caught a fish. We've been here an hour. It's just a bad day.
Time to go home.
Well, a couple hours later, we're coming in. Seth blew the string off all three of his poles. He just got them all tangled and twisted, and so he's not able to. He's over there on the dock, as you can see, fishing with mine. We didn't catch a thing today. It's just a big goose egg. I think Seth just jinxed us by messing up your poles constantly. I couldn't even fish for having to help you tie on and all that kind of stuff. Nah, he actually did pretty good. We just didn't catch anything. It's just one of those days. Just now the wind's picking up. It's been still all morning. And we're gonna do a little drone footage, give you guys an aerial view of this little lake over here at Madill, Oklahoma, called Carter Lake. Springtime's really pretty good for bass and crappie, but it's been 104, 110 degrees every day for the last week or two, and it's really caused bass fishing to be tough. So Seth's down there with my micro light rod and an H&H spinnerbait, fishing off the dock, which, as you can tell, looks like it's about to fall in the water. Load everything back up and go to the house. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. Worst day fishing is better than the best day working. Isn't that right, Seth? Let's pull it to the side, because I've got to be able to stand back there without getting in the water. Let's keep pulling it on up there. That helped a bunch. I can get it. These little 12-foot boats aren't real heavy, but they are awkward. Go ahead and get over on there, and then I get over on there. All right, well, Carter Lake on August the 26th was a bust, but it's warming up, so we're getting in the AC and going to the house. Come fishing with us next time. Smooth landing. That's pretty cool.